Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite in the application. You have to start by open REALME Link app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app and then you will see them at the device list. And you need to be in this menu. If you are in the headphones menu, just go back using this icon at the left top. Now, press and hold at your earbuds at the device list and click rename. Now, you can remove some text, but I want to only add this one. The most important is to click confirm to save this new name. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.